The AH-64 Apache is a pivotal asset in the U.S. Army's attack helicopter fleet, offering unmatched support to ground troops across various combat scenarios. Known for its heavy armament, including a 30mm M230 chain cannon, Hydra and CRV-7 rockets, Hellfire missiles, and Stinger anti-aircraft munitions, the Apache excels in close air support, armed reconnaissance, and precision strikes. AH-64 Apache, 4 decades of dominance in U.S. Army aviation. The AH-64 Apache attack helicopter is a grunt's best friend. Ask any infantry troop, and he will tell you that few things make a soldier feel safer on the ground than knowing an AH-64 chopper is circling in the vicinity, monitoring the battlefield and ready to pounce. The AH-64 Apache is an all-weather attack helicopter that specializes in deep precision strikes, close air support, and armed reconnaissance. It makes up the bulk of the U.S. Army's attack rotary wing capability. Operated by a crew of 2 pilot and co-pilot gunner, the AH-64 Apache lives and dies by its weapon systems. The attack helicopter packs a heavy loadout, including a 30mm M230 chain cannon, Hydra 70mm and CRV 770mm air-to-ground rockets, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and AIM-9 Stinger anti-aircraft munitions. What is great about the AH-64 Apache is its loiter time. The attack helicopter can stay above a target for long durations and provide critical close air support and intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities to troops on the ground. One outstanding feature of the AH-64 is the integrated helmet and display sighting system that allows pilots to move the 30mm M230 with their head and engage targets rapidly. This year, the Apache closed 4 decades of operational flying. With the production line still open, the U.S. military expects to operate the attack helicopter well into the 2060s. Boeing has produced close to 1,300 aircraft that have accumulated an impressive 5 million flight hours, 1.3 million of which have taken place in combat.